Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a self-care, productive day in the life vlog. Also kind of like getting my life together, getting into a routine. I feel like all of January, I just haven't really been in a routine. So I kind of feel like the new year starts now, like in February. Today's actually February 1st. January was just kind of like a rest month, kind of like getting back into it. I'm kind of like ready to get on top of my goals. I want to start the month off right and just have like a fun, productive day and just like really get on top of everything. If you guys enjoy, definitely thumbs up if you do. And if you'd like to see more vlogs on my channel this year, and definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26 and also TikTok. I've been trying to post more on TikTok. And let's just get into the vlog. I'm just gonna start the day off by doing my makeup. Doing my makeup and curling my hair is like the best self-care activity. I really enjoy getting ready for the day. I'm just gonna do like my simple everyday makeup, Giorgio Armani foundation. How cute is this little makeup bag from Jerf Avenue? I am obsessed. I ordered one of the fruit robes. If you know, you know. Looks like this. Then I got an email saying that there wasn't enough to fulfill my order or something, but they're coming out with new prints, and then they asked like if I wanted one of the new prints. The new prints are really cute. I was like, okay, like I'll take the Summer Island because that's really cute, the pink. And they're coming out with these little bags in that print, the print that matches the robe, and also this like little blue one. And now I feel like I need another one of these in that print. I've just been obsessed with Jerf Avenue lately. Now going in with my Laura Mercier powder. This is the best powder. Comment below what your goals are for the new year, or even just like for the month of February. One of my main goals is to focus more on being social. I'm naturally more of like an extrovert. I feel like ever since COVID, I don't know if it's just me, I've become like an introvert. I don't even like go out to eat. I don't go to the movies. Like I literally don't go anywhere. I do not interact with anybody. I have pretty much zero friends. Like I have like one friend. I'm gonna work on that in the new year, and specifically I'm gonna try to work on it this month. I'm just gonna try to find ways to meet new people, but it's really hard when you're graduated from college and you work from home. It's like nearly impossible, just like really hard to get out there and meet people. Next, I'm gonna go in with some Dior blush. This blush is so pigmented and so pretty. You gotta be careful to not use too much. And then I'm gonna use this pink highlight from the Charlotte Tilbury palette. I just think this is so pretty. It's also so pigmented. This is probably one of my favorite makeup purchases of 2022. I did a whole video about my favorite purchases of 2022, and this and like everything I got from Jerf Avenue is like my favorite purchases. Now I'm gonna go in with the Glossier Boy Brow to just kind of like brush through my brows and set them in place. I've been using this for so long. I've used other brow gels and just none of them compare. Now I'm gonna go in with some faux freckles. I feel like this just gives my makeup like a more natural look because it's like you can see my freckles. Last step is some lip liner. I like to use the Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. Going over it with this Morphe lipstick. That is the finished look. I'm just gonna curl my hair. Could I have a medium iced vanilla latte, add cinnamon powder? Got my coffee. So good. Vanilla and cinnamon, so good. And they really go heavy on the cinnamon. That's like my go-to in the winter, and then in the spring and summer I just get like iced vanilla. Now I'm gonna head to my nail appointment. Right now I just kind of have like this nude pink color. It's actually Funny Bunny, 2 coats of Funny Bunny and then 1 coat of just like a sheer pink on top. I'm actually gonna do something kind of similar. I'm gonna do this same type of color but just like with little red hearts for Valentine's Day. I think that'll be really cute. I did that last year and I really loved it. It's one of my favorite nails. And then I'm also getting my lashes filled. just got done with my appointment. My nails are looking so good. I love these little Valentine's nails. They're so cute. And my lashes are also looking nice and fresh and fluffy. I'm just loving my nails and lashes. I was just so hungry after my appointment. I just went and got a Jimmy John sandwich. It is literally the best thing ever. It is the Beach Club sandwich on wheat, and it has avocado and turkey and provolone. I feel like my camera is like crooked right now. It is so good. So I said treat myself. I also have a lot of cleaning to do. Like my apartment is low-key kind of messy. I just did a cleaning and decluttering vlog, but it's like the end of the week, so it's like already messy again. So I'm gonna go home and just get a little bit of cleaning done, water my plants, and just kind of be productive. It is a little bit later. My apartment is looking much cleaner. I can't stand when there's just like stuff out on the counters. I have to clean it up. I just can't focus if there's any kind of mess. I thought I would do just like a little unboxing. I've ordered some stuff recently that I haven't opened yet. I have a couple things from Amazon, and then I have one package from Cuts Clothing, like t-shirts. They sent me like a PR package. I really love their t-shirts, so I'm excited to see what they sent me. I think their tomboy cropped t-shirts are my favorite. They fit really good, and I wear them so much like over the fall and like the summer. I'm really excited to open it up and see, because I didn't pick any of them out. They just like sent me a few things and I have no idea what they sent me. Such cute packaging. This one I already opened. I didn't really see what it is though. I think this is the style that I really like. It looks like it. I have this in like a cream and I have it in a gray, and I wore it so much. Literally just like the perfect fitting t-shirt. So I'll link the shirts below. I'll link their website. You guys know I love my white tees. If you've watched any of my hauls, I literally just love my white tees. So I will definitely be wearing this. This is the rib tank in black. It looks like this. It's like a really thick material. It looks like it has like a square neckline. This is, ooh, it says slim cropped in ivory. Okay, this might actually be the one I already have. I might have to give this to my sister. This is super cute, but I already have this one. This is the one that I have and love. It's just like a nice kind of like cream color. I seriously love this one. So I'll have to give this to my sister. I think she would really like this. It's literally one of my favorite tops, and I feel like it'll be one of her favorite tops too. I love this like butter cream type color. I love what they picked out, because this is another slim crop tee. It's like they knew that that was like my favorite, and I don't have this color. Chocolate. Oh, okay, this is so cute. I love this. I love this color brown. And again, this is the style that I like. This will be really cute in the fall, and also just like the summer and all year round. Love this tee. Like literally love it. It is the best. You guys have to check them out. I hope this one isn't gray, because that's the one I have. This is a different one. Crew Tee Classic Black. This is like a little different fit, like less cropped and just more of just like a basic kind of classic t-shirt. I think this would definitely be a good comfy basic. So thank you so much to Cuts for gifting me these. They picked out really good pieces. I will definitely be wearing all of these. So definitely check out Cuts. This isn't sponsored or anything. They just sent me these. Just wanted to open it up because I just got it in the mail. I also ordered some things from Amazon recently. I ordered these a few days ago and I just haven't had a chance to open them. I think I already know what's in here. I've been very influenced by TikTok lately. I ordered this little Octobuddy thing. If you guys have seen this, it's like a little thing you can stick on the back of your phone, and it looks like this, and it'll basically just stick to like any surface. So then if you're trying to vlog or film a video or something, then your phone will just kind of stick to a surface. I think that would be nice. I'm just trying to decide because my phone case is so cute. I don't want it to like permanently be on there. I've been trying to film more TikToks and stuff, so I feel like that will be helpful. And I'll link that below if you guys want to check it out yourself. Here, you guys probably have seen this everywhere because I've definitely seen it everywhere. The Alex Earl light, like phone selfie light. We'll have to see if this actually lives up to the hype. I have a big ring light, and it's, I mean, it is big and it takes a little bit of time to set up and it's really hard to store. And I figured this is so small and so easy to use. If it actually is as good as everyone says it is, it would be really helpful. And everybody says it's really good. I've seen people stick the little octobuddy thing into this. So then you can just take this light and then you can just stick that to a surface and then you have good lighting. You can just like do this. Or you could snap it onto something else. So I feel like this would be pretty helpful. I also got this blanket. It's like a pink checkered blanket. I can't decide if I should keep it though because the pink is kind of a weird color. It is really fuzzy and soft. I have an Urban Outfitters one that's kind of like the same material and it is like my favorite blanket. It's like this soft, stretchy kind of material. It's like a nice like size and thickness. I thought it'd be cute to just kind of have at the end of my bed. Add a little pattern to my room. I have mixed feelings, but let me know what you guys think if this is cute. I can't decide if I should keep it or not. That is my mini haul and unboxing. It is a little bit later. I was just making some goals for the month of February and I thought I would share them with you. So I kind of mentioned before, I feel like February is like kind of the start of the new year. January was just kind of like a rest month for me. I just really was not on top of my goals and not super productive. Kind of feel like the new year starts now in February. So I'm just like ready to get on top of my goals, ready to get in the grind, just like really be productive. November and December were so busy. I needed a month to just kind of take it easy and relax, and that is what January was. So February, I'm just kind of like ready to get back into it. So I made some goals and I just thought I would share them with you. I've kind of taken today to just kind of like relax, but I also kind of just like want to get my life together and just kind of get ready for the new year and the new month and just kind of like reset. I made 10 because I wanted to kind of, I didn't want like too long of a list. I wanted it to be achievable, but I also had a lot. I kind of just looked at my list for the whole year, like 2023 goals, and I kind of picked like my top things that I wanted to focus on. A lot of these are kind of just like daily habits. Definitely comment below some of your goals for the year and for the month and things you want to focus on this month because I would love to know. My first one is drink more water. I'm working on it right now. Some days go by and I'm like, I literally have not had any water. My second thing is my sleep schedule. That is something I really need to work on. I had a really good sleep schedule for a long time and then it just got so messed up during like the holiday season and I just can't get my sleep schedule back on track. I feel like daylight savings messed it up and then like Christmas time and just like not being in my normal schedule. I just feel like I've been sleeping in later. Like I literally just can't get up. Like I'm just not as productive because when I wake up earlier, I get ready earlier and then my day starts earlier and then I'm productive. Also, I feel like I've been staying up later and just scrolling on my phone for hours, which then of course makes me sleep in later. So my whole sleep schedule is messed up, which is affecting my day-to-day schedule as well. I'm gonna try to wake up at 7 and go to sleep at 11 and just try to get a full 8 hours. And then I put move or exercise 3 times a week, even if it's something as simple as take my dog on a walk. I just want to do something like the 12 3:30 or maybe just doing like a little 10-minute workout video on YouTube, just like doing something 3 times a week. Like I feel like that should be pretty simple. And I put save 20% of my money because I used to be really good about doing this for the longest time, like since I was 16 and I had my first job. I just have been kind of lazy about it, so I just need to get back in the habit of doing that. I want to really decrease my spending. When I do spend my money, really think like, do I need this? Really be a lot more conscious about my spending and more mindful. Maybe just like limiting myself to a certain dollar amount in spending each month or limiting myself to a certain number of purchases. Start a Bible study. I actually bought like a little like devotion type thing that I'm gonna do this month. I don't know, I just want to like honestly learn more. My next goal is to post consistently on all platforms. I've done a pretty good job of this, but I just kind of want to step it up this month. Every day on Instagram and TikTok, which I kind of did like I think in November and December. I'd love to hit 22,000 followers on Instagram, 7,000 followers on TikTok. So definitely follow me on there if you're not already. And then 2 times a week on YouTube. I'd love to hit 175,000. I've been like in the 150, 170,000 range for like years. I would love to eventually hit 200,000 maybe by the end of this year. I have been like like literally in the same place for so long. I'm gonna really try to post every day on my Instagram stories, even if it's just like a couple photos. Driving more, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I actually have really bad like driving anxiety. Not just like day to day, but just if I'm like driving downtown or somewhere farther away, somewhere more busy. My battery died, so I want to kind of work on that this month and just force myself to drive somewhere that like I get nervous driving to 2 times this month. Anyways, those are my goals for the month of February. I hope that somehow inspired or motivated you. I feel like monthly goals will really help me achieve my yearly goals and just have certain things to kind of focus on in that month. Hopefully that was helpful, motivating, and definitely comment below your goals and some things you want to work on. The last thing I'm gonna do to end off this vlog is just to do a little skincare, maybe like a face mask or something. Time to take the eye patches off. They're so relaxing. They're just like so cooling. I love these. Now I'm gonna go in with this Drunk Elephant eye cream. Usually forget about this. It's actually so good. That is my skincare and also the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below something you like to do to just kind of like treat yourself or get ready for the new month. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Also TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.